Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how to create Instagram posts on different niches. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create Instagram post on beauty niche. Guys, you can sell this service online on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can reach to the beauty salon websites and you can contact them and send a proposal that you can make Instagram post for them on daily basis, on monthly basis. You can earn good amount of money from them. So guys, let's go towards canva.com and let's see how we can make it. And but first of all, if you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online, and you don't need to be experienced graphic designer. If you want to learn complete Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech, and there go to playlist section, and here I uploaded a complete playlist on Canva graphic designing course. So learn from there. So let's get started. I click on create a design, and I search here Instagram posts. I click on square post. You can also choose portrait or square according to your choice or requirement. So it is loading. It depends upon the internet speed. My internet is a bit slow, that's why it's take time. So here I write in the template design beauty. So it's give me different templates according to beauty. So I will choose one of them. So let's see. I think this one is good. Yes, that's great. You can also change the template style like this. I like this one. So let's go towards, first of all I would like to change the picture. So I go to photos, and here I search beauty, and I like this image, so I click and drop it here. So as you can see, my image is changed and it look nice. Facial beauty treatment. So first of all I would like to change the logo. So I go to elements, and here I search beauty, so it's look good. So I delete this one and click on this and drag it here, and after that Eva and Adam treatment. Here I want to change the line special discounts up to 50%. So I think it's look good. Here I write Colus. I would like to change the username like Eva Adam. And that's it. Facial, you can also change the service according to your need. So guys, our post is ready, and this is, as you can see, it is a beautiful post, and we just created in 2 to 3 minutes I think. So if you want to download it, click on share and go to download, and you can download it in any format like JPG, PDF, print, standard, etc. I go to PNG, and when I click on download button, it will start downloading. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through this skill. And so guys, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.